What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to free up your iCloud storage on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up your iPhone settings. From here, tap on your Apple ID name and then on iCloud. You can preview your current iCloud storage usage on the top, including how much space each category is taking up in your iCloud. This can help you determine which kind of files you don't really need or can be reduced in your iCloud storage. Tap on Manage Storage. A list of apps will show up, each showing how much space their cloud storage requires. In a lot of cases, these are backed up messages on WhatsApp, emails, voice memos, or other less important files and documents. When selecting WhatsApp Messenger, for example, you can go ahead and delete the cloud data. This will preserve your current messages in the app as well as locally stored files, but it will in turn remove the copy on your iCloud. It's useful to keep these files when looking to transfer all of your files to a different iOS device. If you wish to preserve some, but not all of your WhatsApp data, then go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application. Here, navigate to Settings and then Storage and Data. Select Manage Storage, and you can see how much storage the app is taking up on your device and potentially in your iCloud backup. You can review and delete items such as videos and other large files. Below, you can see how much storage each chat is taking up. Select one of the chats, and you can then proceed to select and delete all of the photos and videos. After deleting the files of some unneeded apps, your iCloud storage should begin to free up. Back in your iCloud settings, you have the option to enable or disable some apps from being backed up in your iCloud. Your iCloud Drive, Notes, Messages, Books, iMovie, and Photos apps can take up a large portion of your iCloud storage. Before increasing your storage plan, you can in addition delete old and outdated backups which are still saved in your iCloud. In your iCloud storage, navigate to and tap on Backups. Existing backups for your device will show up here. To free up some space, go ahead and delete old and unwanted backups. In some cases, this can free up a majority of your current iCloud storage space. You can prevent new photos from being automatically saved to your iCloud. In your main settings, scroll down and tap on Photos. Here, disable the iCloud Photos option. When enabled, your iPhone will try to save all pictures taken to your iCloud storage. To reduce your overall iCloud storage in the future, you should consider backing up your photos and other large files to your PC, external storage, or to a different cloud. You can make use of the Google Drive application on your iPhone to save important files, for example, or connect your device to your PC via USB to back up your photos safely. Before saving photos to Mac or PC, make sure to enable the Keep Originals option in your photo settings. This will not only transfer photos in their original format, but also prevent issues when copying these files to your PC. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.